Now there's the stove sits collapsed, y'all. Okay. That's how big it is right there. Don't take up much room. That makes pretty damn good coffee, might I add. Ooh. Bump the cup up a little bit. Now it took me about 20 minutes from the time I cut all this up and put it in here and set it on fire. But you notice my fire starters in a plastic bag. That's rich lighter. That's fat pine. You put it on top after you stack your wood in there, and you just put your wood in there so it's got lots of air. Now you put wood pellets in there, and they will burn some kind of pretty. It'll look like a gas stove lighting up. And wood pellets do okay. They'll give you about a 45-minute burn. And this y'all see this little silver fire stove? That's my light stove right here. This is what I pack with me when I'm packing light. Now that's old. That's a little rich lighter now. These stoves burn from the top down. They don't burn from the bottom up. I don't know if you got one, you need to know that, because they get my fire stick out. Give me another little piece here. Get this puppy going. You know what a main burn. And we'll put one more right here. Old wind's getting in it. Trying to get an even burn on it. That's what I'm trying to do here. So let's see. It don't look like this rascal caught good, but he's fixing to. Alright, y'all, it's a silver fire. It's a gasifier stove. Now they burn from the top down, they don't burn from the bottom up, and a lot of people forget that or don't know it. I understand it gets hot at the bottom, so I pull the leaves back. Now what we fixing to do here, if we don't asphyxiate first, this is my light pack right here, y'all. Let's let y'all look. Y'all see it? It's gasifying under there. If you can see them flames coming up. It's gasifying, and it is hotter than Hades. That water's fixing to boil. Now this is taking about, from the time I fed the stove to the time I'm getting boiling water, it probably took me about 8-10 minutes. Water ain't boiling yet, but it's fixing to. I gotta drop the lid in here and get to percolating. That's a silver fire. A little silver fire stove. A good friend of mine, God rest his soul, gave me. And it has saved my old behind a many a time out in these woods. In the rain. I wanted some coffee. We got a boil now. So here's what happens next. We drop that in there. Put the lid on. And you see him percolating right there? That's what we're looking for. Well, what we're going to do, we're going to have to pull him off of here in a minute. Because he's going a little fast. See? So what you do is you just take him off a minute. Let him calm down. Put him back up there. Let him drip a little bit. Look. Look my leaf. There we go. Diggity down. Y'all, She's a cooking. Look at that rascal. These little stoves, they give you about usually somewhere around sticks and pellets vary, but I'd say somewhere around 45-minute burn if you got it loaded full. I loaded it about halfway because I didn't want it. Hell, I don't know what a quart of gasoline weighs. What, about 1.5 pounds? 1.5 pounds of dry wood pellets. There's a lot of wood pellets, y'all. You can make it with this little stove. But you gotta have wrist lighter. You need wrist lighter. Well, you can get them little old lighting tabs and stuff, but I like to get all my stuff in the woods. They don't charge you for it. It just takes a little effort, but at any rate, I like my coffee. That's just who I am. So just stop out in the woods and make you a quick pot. That little wood stove. Don't have to have no gasoline. I ain't got to pump nothing up. Just takes a little while, but so what? Drinking coffee is almost a ritual out here in the woods. Out here in Louisiana, period. Well, I hope y'all enjoyed this little thing, cuz I think you got enough here to put something together. I don't know. But that little Silverfire Scout's what that is. That's a little one. And it's a sweet one, and it holds up. I've had that now for, I'm trying to remember when Ken gave that to me. Jeff, how long has it been? I don't even know. 5 years? Maybe? I don't know. Miss him though. He's a good guy. Great stove, y'all. Worth having. I mean, there's that little stove right there. I don't know what they sell for now, but you buy one, you'll have it for the rest of your life. It's made out of some pretty damn good stuff. And it works. That's all dead and wet. And you can see this didn't even finish burning. Just a half a tank, half a load of wood, and they'll burn for about 30 minutes or close to it. Thank y'all. Thank y'all for watching. Next time, I'll use some wood pellets on this thing and show you how nice it is. It's handy. Great little stove. Great alternative to the gas if you don't want to fool with the gasoline. And it does work, but you really gonna need 2 of them. One to boil water and one to cook on if you're gonna feed anybody. At any rate, you don't have to start a fire. Everything's contained. It's pretty safe. Just remember, a safe camper is a happy camper. From the woods, y'all. Otaka. Sure glad y'all stopped and watched, and we do appreciate it. We really do. Later.